Hi friends and family, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, you are most definitely welcome. My name is Zintle Gama. Please make this your permanent YouTube home by clicking the subscribe and the notification bell down below. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, talk to me in the comment section and share this video with your friends and family. So today it's not going to be a tutorial, but it's actually going to be a hairstyling video of how you can style your Marley hair, which you guys saw in my last bubble braid video. So for this style I use 1 pack of Marley hair. I use some styling gel, whole lot of styling gel, water, and I just combed it, into a ponytail using my detangling brush to evenly distribute the product, but you can use any hairbrush. So in this video I'm going to show you the twisted bun version of the style, and this one was achieved. It was the easiest actually to do because it was not any manipulation going on the hair. So for this one I just looped the hair around as you'd section it off when you're doing a braided ponytail, which I did on this channel before, and you just anchor it and you take out 2 or 3 strands and you just wrap your natural hair around so that it can be hidden. And then I'm going to show you a variant of the twisted low bun, and it's going to be a high up pony with the antenna a bit longer. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so I'm going to start by making a pot in the middle, creating a pot in the middle, and then I'm going to section off some hair. So then I'm going to just rub the molding gel along the shaft of my hair, and this is so that when I start doing my twist, my natural hair doesn't come out of the twist and it's not detectable. And then you want to take your Marley hair and you want to put it in the middle. Then you want to take one of the strands for your twist and you want to wrap it around your Marley hair like that, right? So you kind of want to do your twist first, like so. Okay, and you want to do the same for the other twist. You don't have to go all the way down. This is just so that you can secure the base, right? And then there we go. And you want to bring this one to the other side like that, right? Now that that's secure, you want to twist downwards. And then to twist my hair, I like to twist outwards and inwards like that, right? Outwards and inwards, outwards and inwards. Then I take my gel, generous amount of gel, and even on this side, it is a lot of gel guys. It is a lot of gel that you have to use for such styles, especially if your hair is not relaxed. Then I'm gonna take my Marley hair and I'm going to attach it to my head. Okay, and so I can leave it like this, you can, but I don't want to. I don't want to leave it like this. Do I want to leave it like this? No. Marley hair gets so tangled, so you literally have to just pull it apart because of how tangled it gets, and you want to twist. Try to get it in the middle so that the 2 strands can be the same size.